Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Walmart Careers. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in careers.walmart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Walmart's career website. Now click on the login section at the top right corner and then choose your appropriate account that you wish to create. You can then click on I agree with the terms and conditions and click on continue. Now click on search for jobs and now choose your state or enter your zip code. Then click on the search option and once you find a job that you're interested in, click on the checkbox and click on continue. You will now be able to select various different positions that you wish to apply at for once. Click on the continue button after choosing your selections and now you can choose your type of employment as well as your preferred shift. Then scroll down and choose your specific hours and click on continue. You will finally be allowed to create your account now. Go ahead and enter your preferred email address that you wish to use for signing up for your account and then enter your email address once again for confirmation. Finally, enter your desired password for your account and then type it in once again for confirmation and then choose your preferred language of communication. You can finally enter your phone number and then enter the alternate contact info as well and then select whether you would like to receive text messages. You can finally click on the create account button and you will receive a verification code within your email address or your phone number. Just enter this verification code within the next screen and proceed forward and you will be signed up to your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up to your new account on Walmart Careers. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.